Всем привет! Welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood and to my wonderful kitchen. Добро пожаловать! Today I want to show you how to make these delicious yogurt fruit bars, and they're going to be made with cereal. I'm using the colorful ones. They're called Fruit Loops. I think they're American. We just had like an American store open, so I was like, hey, these look really cool. I wanted to make something with them. And they're gonna have mango, strawberry and blueberry sort of yogurt layers, and then the cereals on top, so they're perfect for breakfast if you fancy something like healthy-ish. They don't have any sugar. I've added honey, so they're kind of healthy and delicious. And of course you can replace it with any cereals that you actually love. So now let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's completely free, and yeah, let's go. We're going to need fresh blueberries, fresh mango, and also fresh strawberries. Now take your plain yogurt. I'm using full fat natural yogurt, adding some strawberries in there and honey. Then we're going to take this and place this into our food blender and blitz everything together until your mixture is nice and smooth. Make sure to scoop out all the honey and yogurt in there. Once it's done, it's gonna look just like this. Here I've got a prepared loaf tin, spray it with some cooking oil, and then add your baking paper. Make sure it sticks and it's easy to take out. Now we're gonna put our strawberry mixture inside and then add our Fruit Loops. Feel free to use any other cereal that you have. I do like these because they're so colorful. We're gonna place this into a freezer for 30 minutes or so. Then in a second bowl with yogurt, we're gonna add our blueberries and our honey and repeat the process with a blender again. Put everything inside, blitz until it's nice and smooth, and you will see this beautiful color. Now make sure that your frozen strawberry layer is set, and then add your blueberry layer on top. And then we're going to repeat the process and add more Fruit Loops inside. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Now we're going to do the mango layer and repeat the process similar way. It's not super sweet, so if you wanted to add more honey, then you can. And I really love the color of mango, so blitz everything together as well. And make sure your blueberry layer sets too. So you probably need about half an hour for each layer to set. Once everything is mixed in, you're going to pour your mango layer on top of your blueberry layer. And then add more Fruit Loops on top, and this layer will have a lot more Fruit Loops as it will be the presentation layer. So just smooth it around and start adding your cereal. Oh my god guys, this recipe is so amazing. It's so colorful, very easy to make, and it's very healthy too. Now you want to wrap this around and place a little sellotape to make sure it's stuck, and then place this in a freezer for several hours until it's fully set. Take it out of your mold. It should come out pretty easily, and then peel it off. Again, it will be very easy and peelable. And there you go guys, this is how it looks. You don't need to defrost it really, you can cut into it straight away. It will be quite hard, but also start to soften as it sits in a room temperature. You can eat these bars for breakfast as a frozen yogurt treat, or have it on the weekend. They will melt if you obviously take them out, so it's best to eat them while they're a bit frozen. And it's quite easily to eat. The fork goes through nice and well, and you have all these beautiful colorful layers. I mean, this recipe is perfect for kids or adults that like colorful food, and it's all natural, but you can change the fruits in the recipe too. And if you do that, leave the comments down below what fruit you replaced this recipe with, and I hope you try this.